Everyone, welcome to Tech Wide Rock Academy. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating history of Linux, the open source powerhouse that powers everything from smartphones to supercomputers. Here we will start with the creation and origins of Linux, exploring how a university student named Linus Torvalds started a small project that would change the tech world forever. Then we will take a look at the Linux release, how it quickly became a global phenomenon. But Linux didn't evolve alone. The GNU Project played a massive role in shaping its development. We will discuss how a GNU tools and philosophy influenced the growth of Linux into a full-fledged operating system. Here, we will break down some of the key features that make Linux unique, how it stays on track with standard compliance, and the exciting story of its community-driven development and oversight. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a developer, or just curious about the system running behind the scenes on your favorite devices. So this video is just for you. So let's get started. First, creation and origins. Let me take you back in the early 1990s when Linus Torvalds, a university student with a big idea, wrote the first line of Linux and developed Linux operating system in 1991 at the University of Helsinki. It was basically inspired by Minix, a Unix-like system created by Professor Andrew Tannenbaum. Torvalds initially intended Linux to be a Unix-like OS for Intel-based PCs. Later, it was combined with tools from the GNU project, making it a fully functional operating system. Coming to GNU influence, whereas GNU project in 1993, Richard Stallman started the GNU project, which aimed to create a free Unix-like operating system. By the early 1990s, GNU had developed many essential components, but it lacked a working kernel. Then Linux filled this gap, and the combination of GNU tools and the Linux kernel led to the creation of computer operating system, then often referred to as GNU Linux. Coming to Linux release, the initial release of Linux version was 0.11 in 1991. It was then distributed over the internet, allowing worldwide developers to contribute, which fostered community-driven development and shaped Linux evolution. By the mid-1990s, Linux distributions like Slackware and Debian emerged, packing the Linux kernel with software to make installation and usage easier. Then coming to key features. Key features of the system include Unix-like functionalities and enhanced by GNU tools such as Bash and core utilities. It also supports networking features like FTP, web browsers, and email services, along with the development utilities like C++ compilers and debuggers. It is compatible with major window managers for graphical interfaces and can operate on systems with minimum hardware requiring as little as 2 MB of memory. So coming to standard compliance, the system ensures standard compliance by adhering to the POSIX standards, which is basically a portable operating system interface, which guarantees compatibility and interoperability with Unix-based system by defining key APIs and command line tools. Additionally, it follows the Linux file system hierarchy standards, which ensures a well-structured and consistent directory organization across Linux distributions. This compliance promotes system stability, ease of management, and uniformity in file and directory placement, enhancing both user experience and software portability. So coming to development and oversight, Development and oversight of Linux are basically managed by the Linux Foundation, formed through the merger of the Free Standard Groups and OSDL, which is basically Open Source Development Labs. The Linux Foundation oversees various initiatives ensuring growth and support of Linux. And then Linux kernel releases are hosted at kernel.org, which serves as a central repository of kernel development and distribution. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.